Most organizations fight the wrong war. They obsess over CRM updates, pipeline hacks, and competitor moves while ignoring the invisible forces that truly dictate success or failure. Let me show you how to win the real battle. 1. The mind game. Rewiring belief systems. The problem: every salesperson carries mental code, unconscious beliefs that dictate their actions. These are not just thoughts, they are self-fulfilling prophecies. I'm not a closer. This product is too expensive. They'll never say yes. These beliefs act like malware, silently corrupting performance. The guru fix. Belief alchemy. Most coaching fails because it only addresses behavior, not belief. To create real change, you must A. The why interrogation. When a rep hesitates, ask, what must you believe to be true for this fear to exist? If this belief were false, how would you act differently? This exposes the root virus in their mental operating system. B. The future self. Have reps role-play as their most confident future version. Ask, how would future you handle this objection? What would unstoppable you say right now? This bypasses current limitations by tricking the brain into new patterns. C. The evidence overhaul. Beliefs are reinforced by selective memory. Most reps remember failures more than wins. Fix. Create a proof journal, a running log of every success, no matter how small. Over time, this rewires self-perception. 2. Culture. The invisible operating system. The problem: culture is not what you say, it's what you tolerate, celebrate, and punish. Most sales cultures are accidental. They evolve from leadership habits, not design. The result? Fear, politics, and stagnation. The guru fix. Culture engineering A. The failure dividend. Most companies punish mistakes, so reps hide weaknesses. Flip it. Institute failure bonuses. Publicly reward the best mistakes that led to learning. Hold post-mortem celebrations. Analyze lost deals with curiosity, not blame. B. The silent meeting experiment. Most sales meetings are ego-driven performances where reps posture instead of learn. Try this. For one meeting, ban verbal updates. Have everyone write, what's really going wrong? What help do you need? You'll uncover truths no one dares say aloud. C. The shadow reverse. Most leaders dictate strategy without understanding frontline reality. Solution: require executives to take 5 sales calls per month as the rep. Then ask, what would you change now that you've felt the pressure? 3. Leadership. The lever of transformation. The problem: most sales managers manage activity, not energy. They focus on metrics while ignoring motivation, mindset, and momentum. The guru fix. Leadership Kung Fu A. The 5-second rule for coaching. When a rep struggles, most managers jump in with advice. This creates dependency. Better, wait 5 seconds after asking a question. Silence forces the rep to think deeper. B. The belief radar. Train managers to listen for limiting language. I can't. They won't. It's impossible. Then challenge it. What would make can't into can? C. The energy audit. Sales is an energy game. Low energy, low results. Solution: track morale metrics weekly. Confidence level, 110. Motivation triggers, frustration points. Adjust leadership tactics based on energy, not just numbers. The deeper truth: sales as a spiritual practice. At its core, sales is not about persuasion. It's about transference of certainty. If the rep doubts, the buyer doubts. If the rep believes, the buyer feels it. The greatest salespeople are not just skilled, they are alchemists of belief. They sell from a place of unshakable conviction. Final wisdom: CRM optimizations won't save a team that doesn't believe. Discounts won't close deals that reps subconsciously fear. More training won't fix a culture that punishes honesty. The real work is inner work. Your battle plan: declare war on limiting beliefs, audit, challenge, replace. Engineer culture deliberately. Reward truth, not just results. Lead energy, not just activity. Morale is the hidden KPI. The invisible determines the visible. Master it, or keep losing to forces you don't understand. The choice is yours.